Today's large language models are impressive. They can hold conversations, write code, generate poetry on demand. Many people believe these models are on a fast track to general intelligence. But when you move them from the lab into the real world of business, a problem appears. They are smart in a general sense, but they often lack specific procedural knowledge. They are like a brilliant but newly hired apprentice who has read every textbook but has never actually performed a task on the factory floor. They know the what, but not the how. This gap between general knowledge and step-by-step execution is a major barrier to reliable automation. This is where the concept of agent skills comes into play. An agent skill is a direct attempt to solve this problem. It is not about making the model fundamentally smarter or retraining it from scratch. Instead, it is about giving the AI a clear, concise instruction manual for a specific task, right when it needs it. Think of it as a cheat sheet or a standard operating procedure. So, what exactly is an agent skill? In the simplest terms, a skill is a structured piece of text that acts like a recipe for an AI agent. It is a self-contained document that outlines a specific procedure. Just like a cooking recipe lists ingredients and provides step-by-step instructions, a skill details the necessary tools, commands, and sequence of actions required to complete a task. It might include a short description of its purpose, a snippet of code, a few examples of correct input and expected output, and a clear numbered list of steps to follow. The agent can access and read this file as it works, using the instructions to guide its behavior without altering its underlying neural network. To understand their real-world impact, researchers conducted a large-scale benchmark. They tested AI agents across 84 different real-world tasks, covering domains from software engineering to healthcare. The study compared 3 scenarios: an agent with no access to skills, an agent given access to a library of human-curated skills, and an agent that was allowed to create its own skills. The results were clear and significant. On average, agents using the human-written curated skills successfully completed their tasks 16.2 percentage points more often than agents with no skills. This is a substantial improvement, demonstrating that providing explicit guidance pays real dividends. However, the average gain does not tell the whole story. The effectiveness of skills varied dramatically depending on the domain. The biggest improvements were seen in fields with highly specialized procedures and proprietary formats. In healthcare tasks, for instance, curated skills led to a massive 51.9 percentage point increase in success rates. This is because medical data processing often involves strict, non-obvious rules that are not found in general web text. The model simply does not know these specialized protocols on its own. A skill provides that crucial missing information, turning a likely failure into a success. Conversely, in a domain like software engineering, the gains were much smaller. Why? Because large language models have already been trained on vast repositories of public code, like GitHub. They have already internalized many common coding patterns and routines. When a task involves a standard procedure that the model has seen thousands of times before, providing a skill that explains it again adds very little value. A skill is most powerful when it provides novel, specific information that the model could not have learned from its general training data. It is a targeted intervention, not a universal panacea. Instead of hoping the model intuits the correct sequence of commands to analyze a proprietary format financial report, you give it a skill. Step 1, open the report using the X command. Step 2, extract total revenue. Step 2, extract net profit. Step 3, calculate profit margin using this exact formula. Step 4, save as YYYYMMDD margin.csv. This approach does not require a breakthrough in AI theory. It requires careful, human-led engineering. It acknowledges the model's limitations and provides a practical scaffold to overcome them. Ultimately, skills recognize that intelligence is not a monolith. An AI can have vast internet knowledge, but be ignorant of specific unwritten company or industry rules. A model might know Python broadly, but nothing about your team's internal coding standards or deployment scripts. Agent skills are the missing manual, bridging generic intelligence and focused, procedural competence to get real work done reliably and efficiently. They are a tool for making AI more practical today. While the potential for improvement is high, it is crucial to understand that not all skills are helpful. In the benchmark study, using a skill actually made the agent's performance worse in 16 of the 84 tasks. This often happens when a skill is poorly designed. If a skill is too long, overly complex, contains ambiguous instructions, it can confuse the agent more than it helps. Imagine giving someone a recipe that is 10 pages long with conflicting steps. They would likely get lost. Similarly, an agent can waste precious time and processing power trying to parse a convoluted skill, only to choose the wrong action or give up entirely. Another failure mode occurs when an agent simply ignores the guidance it is given. Some agent systems are designed in such a way that they might find and read a relevant skill, but then decide to proceed with their own plan anyway. This can be particularly frustrating, as the system has access to the correct procedure but fails to apply it, leading to a preventable error. This highlights a disconnect between the skill's content and the agent's core reasoning process. If the agent does not trust or prioritize the skill's instructions, the entire system's reliability is compromised. Too many skills can also be a problem. The most revealing part of the research, however, came from testing skills that the AI wrote for itself. The idea is appealing. Let the AI automate the creation of its own instruction manuals. Unfortunately, the results were poor. AI-generated skills were frequently worse than using no skills at all. They tended to be vague and lacked the specific, actionable details that make a human-written skill effective. For example, a self-made skill might advise the agent to use the appropriate library to parse the file, while a human-written skill would state, use the pandas, read shu function with the delimiter, saker, parameter. This failure of self-made skills offers a critical insight. It shows that the ability to synthesize general knowledge is different from the ability to articulate a precise, reliable procedure. The AI could often complete a task once. Section 4. A Builder's Guide, Practical Rules for Crafting Effective Skills. Given that human curation is key, how can builders create skills that actually work? The first rule: keep skills focused and concise. Don't make a comprehensive textbook, make a quick reference for one procedure. Aim for 2 or 3 essential steps. Short and focused, 2 to 3 steps. Concrete example: validate output. Use clear headings. Use a numbered list to make parsing easy. Brevity is your friend. The agent must quickly identify and apply instructions. A scannable document beats a dense wall of text. Abstract instructions lead to misinterpretation. Show exactly what you mean. Provide a sample input. Provide the corresponding correct output. This is one of the most powerful ways to guide the model. Define what success looks like. Add a small validation step or rule. Example: a successful output will be a JSON file containing a status key with the value complete. This gives the agent a clear target and a method to self-correct if it goes astray. Third, consider the specific agent system or harness you are using. Different systems discover and use skills differently. Some systems automatically search a library of skills based on the task description, while others may require the user to explicitly invoke a skill. Design skills to match your tool. Use simple, descriptive file names. Add a clear one-sentence summary at the top of the skill document. If agents ignore skills, embed the most critical instructions into the main prompt as a temporary backup. Finally, think about efficiency and cost. Running the largest, most powerful AI models is expensive. A smaller model armed with a precise skill can often outperform a much larger model working from general knowledge alone. Reserve your most powerful models for novel, complex problems that do not have a standard procedure. For everything else, build a library of high-quality, human-validated skills. This hybrid approach lets you optimize both performance and cost across your organization's workflows. Section 5. The human element, conclusion, and next steps. Agent skills are practical and powerful. They make AI more reliable in real-world settings. They address a core weakness in current models: broad, general knowledge versus specific procedural competence. The evidence shows human-curated skills boost performance, especially in domains with specialized rules and formats. They act as the missing manual, guiding an agent from awareness to actionable capability. This isn't about building a superhuman AI. It's about making the AI we have today more useful. The research delivers a dose of realism. The dream of a fully autonomous AI remains distant. Self-generated skills failed in tests. Human oversight, curation, validation. We cannot expect the model to teach itself intricate business processes. Experts must author, test, and refine these procedural guides. The path to reliable automation is collaboration, human experts and intelligent machines. For teams deploying AI agents, start by identifying routine tasks. Tasks that follow a clear, repeatable procedure. Do not try to boil the ocean. Instead, focus on critical workflows where errors are costly and consistency matters. Assign domain experts to write and validate skills. Treat skills as intellectual property, a library of executable knowledge. The journey with agent skills is iterative. Build a small set of skills, test them rigorously, measure their impact on task success, track when agents fail to find or use a skill. Use that feedback to improve the skill itself, or improve how it's presented to the agent. Embrace a pragmatic, human-centered approach. Move beyond the hype and unlock consistent, reliable value. The future of practical AI is not just smarter models, but smarter systems built around them.